I'm done talking to girls.
Why you say that?
Because every time I try to talk to them, it end up weird.
Well, what you saying to them?
I say what you say.
Okay.
So first I ask them what's their name.
That's a good start.
And I'll say, girl, who your daddy?
What?
Yeah, and they give me another guy name.
They give you another guy name because they probably naming their real father, Sean. You can't ask a 9-year-old girl who her daddy is. That's the first thing you say to a girl. What you talking about?
That's the size when you say it to a different girl every night.
Do it look like I give a fuck? Do it look like I give a fuck? I don't. I say it to a different girl every night in my house, okay? Second of all, how you know I'm talking to a different girl?
Because they all speak a different language.
What?
The first girl said, you are daddy, so I guess she speak English. The second girl said, you are papi, so I guess she Vietnamese or something.
What?
And I think you had a Chinese girl over there last night. Because she said, you are the next 5 minutes.
So shut the hell up. You always eavesdropping. That's why you don't care to talk to a girl now, because you'll never know what you're talking about. That's not the first thing you say to a girl.
To be honest, that's not the first thing I said.
Well, what you say then?
Raw or no?
Faces?
Pull it out. What's the car? Huh? Who is this guy?
That's my car.
I didn't see it.
Oh, but you're on it, right? I've been looking for it. I've been checking you guys. This car has a GPS. It won't turn on. I disabled it. It won't turn on. So just get out of the car.
So, Grandma, I got a question.
What, boy?
What position you played in football?
What position I play? Bitch, I don't play no motherfucking football. Is you fucking stupid? And if I was to play motherfucking football, I'd run your bitch ass over, bitch. Don't put me some fucking football. Bitch, I don't play no motherfucking football. I'm a fucking woman. I'm not no fucking man or no fucking boy. I'd be to run your fucking ass over if I was playing fucking football. You bitch ass.
Just
Get the fuck away from me, stupid ass.
I'm champion! Get shit on! Get shit on! Get shit on! Your ass! Your ass! Shut the fuck up! 1v1 me, you pussy! Pussy! Fucking 1v1 me! You piece of shit!
Amimi alukuli amigati gatia, mathematically amigati gatia.
Ooh, I don't feel like going in here and fucking with these folks. I don't even fucking like them. Ooh! Shit! The fuck? Damn. Damn, people.
Hey, you going to the barbecue? What barbecue? When I slap my meat across your grill.
Oh, Rob, you tripping out, man.
My wife says I need to get more in touch with my feminine side, so I spent my afternoon crashing the car, burning the dinner, and ignoring her all night for no fucking reason.
What the fuck are you doing?
Gotta get my girlfriend drunk.
Oh, Lord.
What? What were you just doing in the bathroom, bro? Oops.
Racism, let's do that shit, huh? Come on, if you're racist and you know it, clap your hands. What the fuck?
At the dentist.
Put your tongue back. Girl.
That feeling you get when your best buddy puts his hand on your thigh and you feel your pecker head scrape against the zipper of your favorite pair of ripped jeans. Your butthole puckers. That's the feeling of driving a Ford truck. Ford. No girls allowed.
There are 3 dishes tonight that Joe, Ron and myself really want to highlight. Sam, Liz and Fred. You 3 have the worst dishes of the night.
Oh.
Caesar prank on girlfriend.
It's probably something you ate, honestly. It's honestly something you probably ate. This little girl is... Babe! 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 Babe, what's wrong? Babe!
Okay, so what you have to do is, you see right now that the quarters say are in the order of 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving 1/4, only 1/4 out of all of these, make it go backwards to say 1, 2, 3, 4.
What? You can't do that shit.
It's possible.
There's no fucking body that can. 1/4.
Yes.
That's bullshit. If somebody makes you believe that, they bullshit. It was bullshit. They put shit in your face. Dookie. I don't know what to do.
Move 1/4 to make it say 1, 2, 3, 4.
But I can't.
You can.
Where this say 1?
It has to
2,
say
3,
1.
4.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
Well, hold on. I mean, I don't think it is. Hold on. No, because it's going to be more than 1/4 being moved. Like,
so do you want me to show you how you could do it?
Absolutely not. I got to figure this shit out.
Okay, you got 25 seconds.
Okay. I know it's a way to do this shit. I'm lost.
Do you give
can't
up?
figure it out. I give up.
Okay. So the 1/4 that you would have to move to make it say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going in the opposite way is this one.
What the fuck? Oh my fucking god. That's bullshit. I need a redo. You fucking cheater.
Text your husband he is gone. You can come over
I
now.
don't think he's looking at his phone. I don't think he's looking at his phone. I don't. He didn't even look at the text. What the heck? He don't care. I think oh my god. Oh my god. I think he got it. Oh my god. He's so pissed. He is so pissed.
Who's coming over? Huh? You texted and said he's gone. You could come now. Who's coming over?
I don't know. I'm confused.
How do you not know?
I didn't mean to text you.
Then who was it for? You got a side piece?
Yeah.
Where's he at?
He's right there.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know? How would they know? How would they know? I can't. I can't. Oh my god.
Thanks so much for that. We'll go ahead to our next question now. Mrs. Alexis Toon, you are live with the Senator. You can go ahead and ask your question.
Hi, Senator. I am a proud Kentucky citizen, and I just wanted to tell you to get fucked.
All right, we'll go ahead to our next.
Well, I'm sure you needed it, Annie. Did you get many spankings as a kid?
As a kid, no. No, wait.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
That's not what I meant. I meant I was a little... I'm not... never mind. I'm sorry. That's not what I meant. I'm really embarrassed.
I just seen her turn around. I just texted her and told her, what's she doing? I said, you can come back. I told her, I sent the text saying that you can come over, she gone. What's she doing? Man, what you doing? Bang, bang.
No! Oh my fucking god! No fucking way! No fucking way! No fucking way, dude. No way.
What's your name?
Isaac.
Isaac. What do you rate me out of 10?
I'm happily married. So they would now rate you. So.
Okay, so if you had to rate me if you didn't have a wife, come on.
I'd be a 1. It's a little desperate, that's why. So. The most important person in my life is my wife. So she's number 1.
So cute. Bless. Babe.
Run away, you're gonna die. Just run away, run away, run away, run away, you're gonna die. Run away, you're gonna die, you're gonna die. Run away, run away,
Shut
run
the
away.
fuck up!
Alright, I'm not gonna say nothing.
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
What's the most pettiest thing you've taken from your ex after y'all break up? I'll go first.
Many years ago, just a few days before Christmas, my ex informed me that he was no longer happy. He was seeing someone else, and he just wanted to move on with his life. And he suggested that I move out after the holidays because, you know, it was his house. And I understood that. I left that same day. I called my sister. She brought a U-Haul, and we got my stuff out of there. But when I say my stuff, I meant my stuff. I took everything. He had nothing when I got there. I left him with nothing. And to top it off, I took the damn Christmas tree. Yes, I did. Tied it to the top of my car, ornaments and all. I was riding down the highway, ornaments falling off. I felt like the Grinch. It was exhilarating. Ho, 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 you mother... I can't say that.
Fam, the way you looking at man like you wanna do something, bro. What is it? Cause of the black and white? Whoa! Back up, cuz. Back up. I will kung fu kick you with my paw. Whoa.